Hey guys, just a quick video to show you what I want you to do for your homework for talking to the text since it's the first time. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open up my website, which you guys at this point should be familiar with this thing. We're going to go to the class assignments and we're going to open up both the notes that you guys should have your own copy at this point. And you need to make sure that this copy is going to be shared because you're going to link your copy. And this link that you're going to give me is going to be the link that I'm going to keep on checking. So you're not going to have to resubmit them every time I check for T4ing, but you will have to make sure it's shared because if I click on it and I can't see it, you're losing the points. So we're here today for Friday. We have our notes. Here is the lesson for Friday. Today in Friday's class, we are going to continue with our discussion of notes number one on the revolution. Section one and Section one was on what led to the revolution, and that was where your assignment, the movie preview, came from. Now we're going to work on sections two and three. Once again, I need you to concentrate on the type of quality T4 comments that you're making by adding things that you're defining things, comparing things to other classes, other assignments, explaining things that you understand, inferring, guessing what you think is going to happen. So we're going to do this for sections, sorry, I missed this, sections two and three here. Um, so you are going to T4 section 2 and section 2. We look at the notes. So again, here's section 1, leading towards war. All right, this is the one that you were supposed to work on for your assignment. And when you scroll down, you go to the next page. Now you get to section 2 and it's the war begins. So we're going to work on sections 2 and 3 right now in class. Sections 2, sections 3. This. All right, and you're going to give me 6 well thought out T4 comments and then 3, 4 T4 comments for that one. Then we're going to break out groups and discuss in class. Now, for homework, your homework will be that you will be T4ing the rest of notes number one, which are sections 4 and 5. And that is starting right here, early problems with the Continental Army. And section 4 continues on to the next page. This is still all section 4. All right, and then section 5 is battles of the war, and then there's battles of the war. All right, so it's going to be sections 4 and 5. For section 4, I want 6 well thought out comments. All right, so I want you to think about what you're going to say, questions you're going to ask, and not be super simple. And for section 5, I want 10. All right, so overall, your homework, you're going to be adding 16 well thought out comments. And once again, if you forgot how to do this, you're going to T4 them by adding. So if you're going to add something, you could add Treaty of Paris, and then you highlight it, and then you add it, and the points come, I mean, the comment goes over here. I want you to really think about what type of quality comments you're doing because these leads us to having better discussions. They're due on Sunday by 5 p.m. 5 p.m., 5 p.m., 5 p.m., 5 p.m., not 10, not 10, not 10. 5 p.m. on Sunday because Sunday evening I want to go over them to see who did it so we're ready for discussion on Sunday. And it has to be linked to my website under your period. All right. Once you link it to my class, what's going to happen is um, you will never have to link this unit again. And that'll allow me next time I give you homework on T4ing to go look directly because your assignment is already linked and go ahead and go to on Sunday and click on it. Yep, they have it. Nope, they don't. All right. So that is it. Just basically sections 4 and 5 of notes number one, which is the end of it. All right. So section 4 starts off at the bottom of the second page. See right there, early problems with the Continental Army. It continues on to the last page, and then it goes the rest for section 5. If you keep scrolling, you get to notes number 2, which will start on next Wednesday. By the way, you guys will have a quiz on this section, notes 1, which is all about the revolution, all of this, and all of this next Wednesday. So the better your T4 is and better the discussions are, the easier your quiz is going to be. Thank you guys. Hope that